Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So we are here with yet another Michaels haul. I know, you're probably thinking, when are you going to stop buying art supplies? Honestly, I don't know. I do try, but Michaels was having a giant sale. And these were something that I absolutely did not need, but I couldn't pass up the sale. So you want to see what it is? Can you guess? What do you think it is? Let's see. It is a set of 60 Staedtler Karat Aquarelle watercolor pencils. Yay! Guess what I paid? So, I want to open this up. Oh good, I don't have to use my scissors. I love when they have one of these where you don't have to use the scissors. That's awesome. Look how beautiful this tin is, you guys. Look, the back of the tin even has instructions to make the design on the tin. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? Look. The drawing, how to start painting, how to keep coloring and painting. And done. Oh, that is so cool. And these are high quality watercolor pencils. It says brilliant color with excellent blending quality, especially smooth, rich color strokes for watercolor painting on watercolor paper. Available in 60 individual colors. Something about wood from certified sustainably managed forest. Beautiful. Importer UK, Staedtler, Ophelt Road. I don't know. But anyway, I think this is a German brand. Let's see it back here. Yeah, German. These were made in Germany. So, and I love that they use sustainable wood. That's awesome. And look at this tin. And I absolutely am going to try to make this painting. That's beautiful. Look at that. I used to have a red and white rowboat. So, are we ready to look at these beautiful things? And before we open it up, let me just tell you, these are on sale for $75 on clearance. These are regular $189.99 at Michaels. And they're also pretty darn expensive on Amazon. So when I saw these for $75, I thought, wait, aren't those the really expensive ones that I can't afford? And then I looked it up and I went, yes, these are the really expensive ones. And I didn't need any, but I don't have a professional set of watercolor pencils. I have student grade and really cheap ones. I have Artist Loft, which I really love. My Artist Loft set of, I think, 12 or 24. And I have some, I don't know, really cheap ones from Amazon. And I also have a set of Arteza from Amazon that are very nice, but they're student grade. And these are supposedly light fast. So I really do want to start getting only light fast stuff unless I'm just playing in my sketchbook. I would like my things to start being light fast, you know? And I have a lot of watercolors now that are light fast. But I did not have any watercolor pencils that are light fast. And I do like watercolor pencils. And the main reason I hardly ever use mine anymore is because they're not light fast. I mean, I use them in my plein air kit and I love them. But, yeah, I want to go light fast and now I have them. So, are you ready? I'm not sure if I am. This is so beautiful. Ready, ready, ready. Ah, so pretty. Look at that. And there's another layer underneath. But first up, we have a little pamphlet. And it says, oh, I have no idea. It says watercolor pencils. And in German, that is Wasservermalbari Farb. I don't know. I'd have to get my dad to read it. He's Austrian, so he speaks an Austrian dialect of German. And Über Staedtler, about Staedtler. I did not know Uber meant about. Staedtler is one of Germany's oldest industrial companies. The group ranks among the world's leading manufacturers and suppliers of writing, coloring, drawing, and modeling products. Okay, so if you want to read more, you can pause the video and go ahead. Okay? So here are how to do it in English and German. And it shows how to do that. That's amazing that they show us how to do the cover art. I am definitely going to try to do that cover art. So it says dry and wet techniques. It says step 1, quickly put your ideas down on paper. The Mars Lumograph is the perfect pencil for quick drafts and loose sketches. And I do have 2 pencils that I bought when I was doing my 2-week challenge, because I bought a set of graphite pencils that weren't dark enough. So I do have the Mars Lumograph and the other Mars black one. In the darkest color they have, but I don't have one that I would sketch with, because I just have 2 of them, and they're the darkest colored pencils you can get, which I would not sketch with, but they're beautiful pencils, which is how I knew I would like these ones. So it goes step by step on how to make those. And then it gives you some special techniques. Smudging and blotting. Oh God. Okay, that's like graffito, like graffiti, but with an S. I can't say that. I can't do that. Graffiti. I can't put an S in front of it. Oh my gosh, why? And then reproduction. Okay, and here are the colors. Beautiful. They did not, however, give me a swatching sheet. And I'm going to have to make up one on my own, but that's okay. So what I really like about this is I have a wide range of yellows and reds and pinks and brownish reds and violets and purples and blues and turquoises and teals and greens and earthy browns and grays and blacks. Beautiful. So I've got cool colors and warm colors, and plus this is just like watercolors. You can mix your own watercolor colors too. But just not with the pencil. You'd have to scribble on a palette first and then mix the colors together that way by adding water to your scribbles and making a paint. So yeah, let's see what the other layer looks like. And these are not bad. They're not as weak as some of my other sets are. So you guys, that is what the whole set looks like. Look at these colors. They're beautiful. My camera's shaking because I hit it. It's officially my video now. So let's just grab one out that's close to me. Now, I like the feeling of these pencils, and I like that they're not perfectly round. So hopefully they won't roll as much. Well, they're still going to roll. Oh yeah, they're still going to roll. I was hoping the fact that they weren't perfectly round, they wouldn't roll as much, but they are going to. But it's still, these pencils feel good to hold. And look at that color. Excuse me if I have dirt under my fingernails. I was helping concrete the broken walkway on the way down to camp yesterday, and I had to dig out a bunch of rocks to use. But let's see. So do you see here there is an area where you can, I think you can order these one by one at some stores, but not Michaels. So they have a number, they have an art number, the ends are closed, and they have color. There's a little paintbrush to let you know it's a watercolor pencil. It says Karat Aquarelle, Staedtler, made in Germany. So they do not have their color names on there. Come on. But they have some numbers. And I'm assuming maybe the chart will go with it, or I don't know. $123,302. Well, let me just grab the black. So the black one says -9 black Schwartz. And here at the very end, the last number says -9. So I guess that is how you figure out what, like the number. Let's see the next one. -8. Does this one have a -8? Yes, it does. Let's try the white. The white should be 0. And to me, that looks like a Q, but it's clearly a 0. So yeah, the only way that I would like these more is if the names of the colors were on there. Especially because there's that many yellows and that many blues. So I can't just say blue, or light blue, or dark blue, because there's more of 3 of every color, you know? So yeah. So white, lemon, light yellow, yellow, bright yellow, sand, and peach. So lemon, light yellow, yellow, bright yellow, sand, and peach. So they do have names, but the names aren't on there. That's a shame. They should put the names on there, but oh well. And when you're drawing, if you're not doing like a YouTube tutorial or videoing, it doesn't matter. You just grab by instinct the color that you think you need, you know? But they look like very beautiful pencils, and I'm very eager to try them out. I think I might try to do a portrait of my dad for the 100 hits challenge, because I haven't done a portrait for the 100 hits challenge in a while. And I hate the way I did one of my dad a little while ago in pastel, a few months ago now. And he ended up looking more like a cross between my dad and Archie Bunker, because the oil pastel is very slidey and it's easy to make a mistake in the, even though my sketch was good, I lost my sketch when I was coloring it. So I'm thinking these would work. So I've never done a portrait in watercolor pencil, but I have done portraits with colored pencil, and I liked how they worked very much. And I think I'll like this even more because I like the watercolor look more than a pencil look. So yeah. So I wasn't in the market for these at all, but I did know that I wanted some that were light fast. I just thought I would get them probably after, like in the fall, because I'm going to be going to camp for the month of August. July is World Watercolor Month, but I could definitely use these in July because these are watercolor pencils. So yeah, it works. $75, regular $189, and look at this beautiful tin. And what I really like is the lid doesn't open easily. Like, you have to press it. Some tins you close and they open easily, and I have to go and put some of my hair things around them. And some of the tins are too big for a hair thing to fit around them. Then I got to use 2 of them together, or else a headband. But sometimes a headband is too big. So then I have to use a headband and like tie a knot in it. But usually when I have a tin, I have to do something like this to make sure they won't open on me and drop pencils and break them. And I did watch several reviews about these pencils, and they've got really good reviews on YouTube. And a lot of people say that they're very easy to sharpen and they don't break easy, which is often a problem with this kind of product. So I'm super excited. I don't know if your Michaels has these on sale right now. I'm going to try to edit this video today and get it up on the channel right away so that you guys can check your Michaels if you're interested as well, because that's a really good sale, you guys. $75, regular $189.99. I mean, yeah, that's awesome. Anyway, that is it for now. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button, the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those good things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.